Let us this component. So the first thing what you are going to do, let us draw the circle, internal circle with diameter of 50 mm. So circle diameter go 50 mm. All diameters are just all dimensions are in millimeter, so you have to consider that one. Then after that, the second one, this is a second circle with radius with diameter of 68 units. So again 68. And the third one, the outer circle with diameter of 85. With 85. So we draw all the three circles, and next what we are going to do, just draw the center line. Draw the center line just like this. If ortho is not on, you have to on the ortho mode to draw a perfect straight line. Then here also the same thing. Then next what we are going to do, just this circle with diameter of 8 units, 8 mm, and there are 6 circles. So what you are going to do, just to draw circle, and the circle, just this one is located at the center of the center line and the middle circle. So there are 3 circles. The middle circle here you have to draw with a diameter of 8 units like this, because this one is diameter of 8 units and this one is also 8. Then next what you are going to do, just click there, go to array command, extend it in polar array, then choose the center here, and after that, as is shown here, there are 6 circles created. For now we need only 6 circles, but if you need more circles like 10, you can change this number as is shown here. It is 10 now. Let me put it back to 6 because we need only 6 circles. So now we finished this part. Then next what you are going to do, just there, this region, to create this region, you have to first define this 45 degree. So what you are going to do, you have to go to line, and here you have to click here to ortho off. You must off this ortho mode to flexibly move just like this. Then we need just 45 degree. If this one is 45, the rest is just 45 degrees. But this one is to the negative because it is below the x-axis. So what you are going to do, just go, you have to use this one, add, then you have to give dimension, then less than symbol, then you have to give angle. In the angle, just 45 minus 45 degrees. Dimension, you can give any dimension, like just out of this region. This is maximum diameter. It is 85. You can make it 85 or just more than that one. You can give just like this. So what I'm going to do, the first step, to shift and add, then add as is shown there. Then the dimension, I'll give it 100, then less than symbol, then minus 45 degree. You see now, it is just like this. It is created minus 45 degree like this. Then what you are going to do, go to mirror command and click this one, enter, and you have to give it the center line to mirror it, just like this you can give it. Now we created this one. After creating this one, what we are going to do, as is shown here, this one, it is radius of 91. So we have to draw another circle with radius of 91. So go to circle, radius, hold this one, use this as a center, then radius of 91. As is shown here, this is 91 units, right? 91 unit, the outer circle. Then next, this one is as is shown here, this is 70, this one is 91, this is the middle one, it is 70 units. So let us draw another circle with 70, radius of 70, just this one, then 70, like this. And then after that, oh, this one is 70, this one is just We finished the two circles. Then we need this center. So we need this portion just under this inclined line. This area, we need this area, so we can trim the rest of the parts just like this. Go to trim, and you can trim this one, this one, this one, and this region. Right, this region you can trim it. And let us exit, and let us move it a little bit to the right side. Move this one like this. Then next, what you are going to do, using this one as a center, you have to create this diameter of 22 units circle. So the middle line, this is a middle circle, you have to use this middle one, and you have to create this with diameter of 22 units. So let us go for circle diameter, and you have to use this one as a center, this as a center, and its diameter is just 22 units like this. Then you click there and copy it and hold it at the center and move it and keep it here, right? So we created the first circle, and at the same time again copy it, copy command here. We can keep it here also. So we created all these three circles, and then the outer circle, you see, it is radius with radius of 29, T21. So you have to create another circle with radius of 21. Center radius, hold it here, then 21 like this. And you can copy this one also. Copy command, this one, and hold it at the center and move it and keep it there. So now what you are going to do, just after finishing this one here, if you go here just with radius of 8, it is just curved region here. So we have to go for fillet command, fillet this one, smooth fillet, and this one and this one with let us clean it. First fillet, you have to go for radius at 8 units. You have to give 8 units because this one is 8. Then after that, click here and click there. Enter again and click here and click there. It is shown here. We created this curved region. Now what you are going to do, you can remove the unwanted regions from this one, right? Example, this one not required, this one not required, and right, and this one is not required, this one also not required. Here also you have to remove this one, here also you have to remove this one. Then next what you are going to do, just control this one, this, and this, and you can use some other lines to distinguish it from the object line. So as is shown here, we created the part, nothing is missing, just almost all of the things are created. So next what you are going to do, you have to give the dimensions.